Dogs used to be wolves. Cows used to be much more intimidating than they are today. And humans? We used to be a lot more intimidating too. Our ancestors had larger brows, bigger jaws, and stronger facial features. Today's humans look noticeably softer by comparison. But here's something most people never hear. No other species changed us. We changed ourselves. And not in the way most people imagine. This isn't just a story about becoming kinder. It's a story about how societies gradually reduced extreme aggression over thousands of generations. We domesticated ourselves. When humans domesticate an animal, they don't simply make it friendlier. A whole collection of changes appears together. Floppier ears, curly tails, smaller brains, different coat colors, and faces that stay more youthful. Nobody intentionally selected all of these traits. They simply appeared alongside reduced aggression. Now compare ancient humans with us. Humans from around 100,000 years ago had larger brow ridges, larger teeth, and much more rugged skulls. Modern humans have smoother faces, smaller jaws, and softer-looking features. It's almost as if we've become physically gentler. Scientists accidentally demonstrated something remarkable. In 1959, Soviet geneticist Dmitry Belyaev began breeding foxes. He selected only one trait: friendliness toward humans, nothing else. Within only a few generations, those foxes began developing floppy ears, curly tails, patchy fur, and playful puppy-like behavior. No one selected those traits. They simply appeared together. Nature seemed to package them as one system. So naturally, one question appears. If animals can become domesticated, could humans have experienced something similar? Many scientists think the answer might be yes, but the reason may surprise you. The common explanation is simple. Highly aggressive individuals were often rejected from groups. Over time, their influence became smaller. But some researchers think something even more powerful was happening. Harvard anthropologist Richard Wrangham proposed what's known as the execution hypothesis. Instead of challenging the strongest aggressive person directly, groups may have quietly cooperated, made a plan, and removed dangerous individuals together. This idea depends on something almost unique to humans: the ability to communicate, share information, plan ahead, and cooperate as a group. Chimpanzees can't coordinate long-term plans like this. Neither can wolves. Humans can. If this happened repeatedly, then evolution wasn't necessarily rewarding kindness. Instead, it may have gradually reduced extreme aggression, generation after generation. Researchers estimate this process may have continued for nearly 12,000 generations, longer than dogs, horses, or cattle have lived alongside humans. Interestingly, organized punishment appears throughout many ancient civilizations: Egyptian, Babylonian, Greek, Roman, Chinese, Indian, Inca, Aztec. Different cultures often arrived at surprisingly similar ways of maintaining social order. Some researchers have proposed an even more controversial possibility. If aggressive behavior was strongly discouraged, its influence within families may also have decreased over generations. This idea remains speculative, and scientists continue debating it. The evidence may actually be visible in our own faces. Compared with our ancient ancestors, modern humans have smaller brow ridges, smaller teeth, rounder skulls, and less rugged facial features. Many of these changes resemble those seen in domesticated animals. Researchers have also identified genes connected with both facial development and social behavior. Many scientists believe neural crest cells may connect these two traits, meaning the biology shaping your face could also influence temperament. But here's the important part. This isn't settled science. Some researchers argue that these facial changes happened because our brains developed differently, not because humans became self-domesticated. The debate is still ongoing. So what really happened? Did humans become calmer over time, or did we simply become better at cooperating and better at managing conflict? Scientists are still searching for the answer. Wolves became dogs, wild boars became pigs, and perhaps humans changed themselves too. If our species has been quietly shaping its own evolution for hundreds of thousands of years, what might the next 10,000 years look like? Let me know what you think.